Are you best heat press machines? Heat press machines are indispensable tools for hobbyists, small businesses, and professionals in the custom apparel and craft industries. They allow users to transfer designs onto a variety of materials, including t-shirts, tote bags, mugs, and more, with precision and durability. With advancements in technology, heat press machines now offer features like automatic operation, adjustable pressure, and rapid heating, catering to diverse needs. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine, 12 inches by 10 inch. The Cricut EasyPress 2 is a compact and lightweight heat press designed for hobbyists and casual crafters. Its ceramic-coated heat plate ensures even heating, while its adjustable temperature, up to 400 Fahrenheit, and timer settings make it versatile for various heat transfer projects. This model is particularly appealing for beginners due to its straightforward operation and safety features, including an insulated base and auto-off functionality. At $99, it's an affordable entry point for those looking to explore heat pressing without committing to a bulky machine. In terms of performance, the Cricut EasyPress 2 excels at small-scale projects like t-shirts, tote bags, and pillows. However, its 12 by 10 inch heat plate limits its application for larger designs, and the manual pressure application may result in inconsistent transfers for more intricate projects. While it heats up quickly, under 2 minutes, it lacks the advanced automation features found in higher-end models. Users appreciate its portability and storage-friendly design, but professionals may find it underpowered for high-volume production. Product new. Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press 15 by 15 Sublimation. The Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press is a mid-range, clamshell-style machine designed for users seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. Its 15 by 15 inch heat plate provides ample space for larger designs, making it suitable for t-shirts, mouse pads, and bags. With a temperature range of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and adjustable pressure settings, it offers flexibility for a wide variety of projects. The silicone pad is lightly glued for easy replacement, and electronic time and heat controls make operation straightforward. Performance-wise, the Fancier Studio Heat Press is reliable for small business owners and craft enthusiasts. The clamshell design saves space, but may pose accessibility challenges for thicker materials. While it heats evenly, it takes slightly longer to reach higher temperatures compared to more advanced models. At 37.6 pounds, it's heavier than the Cricut EasyPress 2. But its steel frame and aluminum heat platen ensure durability. Users appreciate its affordability and robust construction, though its dated design and lack of automation might deter those seeking modern conveniences. Product 3. HTVRONT Automatic Heat Press Machine 4. The HTVRONT Automatic Heat Press Machine introduces automation to the mid-range category, making it an excellent choice for users who value convenience. Its 15 x 15 inch heat plate accommodates larger projects, while the automatic press and release feature minimizes user effort and ensures consistent pressure. The machine heats up rapidly, reaching 320 degrees Fahrenheit within 4 minutes, and distributes heat evenly thanks to NTC thermistor technology and a dual-tube heating engine. Safety features, such as a drawer slide design and auto-off functionality, enhance its user-friendliness. This model is ideal for small businesses and frequent crafters looking to streamline their workflow. Its multiple modes, including custom and automatic settings, allow users to efficiently handle diverse heat transfer projects. However, at 40.4 pounds, it's significantly heavier and less portable than the Cricut EasyPress 2. While its automation reduces the risk of user error, some users may find the machine's reliance on preset modes limiting for highly customized projects. Overall, it offers excellent value for its price and is a step up in performance compared to manual models. Product number HTV-Runt Automatic Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. The HTV-Runt Automatic Heat Press Machine in light blue offers similar features to its white counterpart, including a 15 by 15-inch heat plate, automatic press and release, and rapid heating. It heats evenly using dual-tube technology and NTC thermistor components, making it reliable for professional quality transfers. This model also includes practical modes for fast and automatic operation, catering to small businesses and hobbyists alike. Its drawer-style design and auto-off feature prioritize safety during use. While this model performs well for t-shirts, bags, and caps, its design is slightly less compact compared to the white version. At 40.1 pounds, it's still heavy, but its robust construction ensures durability. Users appreciate its intuitive operation and consistent results, though its lack of adjustable pressure settings may limit its versatility for certain materials. Overall, it's a solid choice for users seeking automation and efficiency at a mid-range price point. Product 5. HTV-Runt Auto Heat Press 2. The HTV-Runt Auto Heat Press 2 is a premium heat press machine designed for advanced users and professionals. Its standout feature is adjustable pressure customization, allowing users to achieve up to 170 pounds of pressure, a critical capability for DTF projects and thicker materials. The increased heat press height accommodates items up to 4.5 centimeters, expanding its versatility beyond apparel to heavier items like hoodies. With rapid heating and consistent temperature distribution, this machine delivers clean and professional results. At $349.99, this model is the most expensive in the lineup, but it justifies its price with advanced features like an angle-adjustable screen and compact design. The automatic press and release functionality is hands-free, enabling users to multitask efficiently. However, its 47.4-pound weight and higher price may deter casual users. Professionals and small business owners will appreciate its robust capabilities and ergonomic design, making it a worthwhile investment for high-volume production.